All of you. Today we will discuss our new chapter 3, reuse waste material. Means again we can use the throwing materials in our use. This is a well talented way by which we can use our waste materials. Now you can see in your book that with the waste material there are lots of beautiful products have been made with a skill idea. Now, make innovative things from the waste material as shown in your chapter. You can see that first, this is a photo frame from the ice cream sticks. Yes, which the sticks you throw from that stick, it has made a photo frame and it looks very beautiful. Now the next one is eco-friendly bag from the waste paper. Yes, this has been made from the waste paper. The bag has been made from the waste paper which can be decomposed easily in our environment. Now next one is cutlery holder from the tin cans. Yes, you can see the your knife spoons have been kept in a cutlery holder from the tin cans which you throw in your garbages. Now the next one is bracelet from waste buttons. Yes, the buttons which you throw outside, you can make a beautiful bracelet and use in your house for decorate purpose. Now here is a quiz time. In this you can see that filling the blanks with the help of the box given in the word. You can see first the picture is this is a charging station made for use boxes. The next one is this is a pen pencil holder and made from the waste cans. Next one is this is a wind chime made out of the bottle caps. The last one is this is a wall decor made from the waste newspaper. So in this chapter we have learned that how we can use the waste material in our again reuse. By this we should not throw the waste in outside, we should use the waste material in our use and make decorate things by our skillful ideas. Now, again, we will start a new chapter about vegetables we eat must. Now, these are the very important things which we use in our daily life and they are very important to us. The first one is it helps us in weight loss, improve digestion, and increase immunity for fighting disease. And its famous name is lady's finger. It has been used mostly for all the peoples in their daily life. Now, the next one is it helps us in weight loss, better digestion, and prevent several disease and high blood pressure. Its name is bottle crown. Now, you can see the third one. It is a good for eyes, brain, and heart. It prevent the disease, and its name is spinach. Now, the fourth one, it control the blood pressure, diabetes, and it's good for the brain, and its name is brinjal. Now, the fifth one, it keeps the bones healthy and prevent constipation and control blood pressure. Its name is broccoli. Now, the last one, it keeps the skin healthy and stimulate hair growth. It also makes the hair smooth and shiny. Its name is cabbage. Now here is quiz time. Which of the following helps to maintain healthy skin? Now there are four options: lettuce, finger, peas, tomato, all of these. Our answer is all of these. Now our next question: which of these lowers cholesterol level and is necessary for a healthy heart? Potato, pea, tomato, ginger. Our answer is potato. So in this chapter we have learned about the different vegetable which help in our daily lives by giving us many uh, proteins and vitamins. So it is very important part of our daily life. So we should must eat them and make our body fit and fine. So again now we will start our new chapter, fifth, Disneyland. And in this chapter we will learn about the different beautiful place where we can visit for our our beautiful adventure. Now here you can see that, look the picture of the themes land of Disneyland, read the description and write their names in the given blanks. We have to complete by watching this picture. And first one is, here you can meet your favorite character of Disney stories like Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella and many more. And this island is called by the name Fantasy Land, and it's a very beautiful place where we can meet our all the characters. Now the next one is, it is resembles the remote jungle of Africa and Asia, and its name is Adventure Land. Yes, you can see the different animals in this Adventure Land. Now the third one, each version of this land is different and features numerous attractions that depict the view of the future, and its name is Tomorrowland. Yes, in this island you can see the different versions of it and the different features, numerous attractions and depict the view of the future, and its name is Tomorrowland. The fourth one is, it was earlier called the Indian Village and future Native Americans dance is an other custom, and it is Critter Country. Yes, it is also a called by the name earlier Indian Village, and its name is Critter Country. Now the fifth one, it is a small creation of the Mickey House world where visitor can meet Disney character and visit their home constructed in an attractive style, and its name is Mickey Toontown. And you can see its structure is very beautiful for the small children. Now we will discuss the quiz tab. Which of the following depicts the history of America? It's there are four options: Tomorrowland, Adventureland, Frontierland, and Fantasyland. Our answer is Frontierland. Now our next question: Pirates of the Caribbean can be seen in Adventureland, Critter Country, New Orleans Square, Fantasyland. Our answer is New Orleans Square. Now the third one, which of the following will be the new land of Disneyland? Now there are four options: Tomorrowland, Star Wars Land, Fantasyland, Frontierland. Our answer is Star Wars Land. Now in this question, which of the following will be the new land of Disneyland? Our answer is Star Wars Land.